Hello, hello. Um, so today I saw a lot of people turning quite bullish in terms of recent price action of Bitcoin, which rallied. How much did it go up yesterday? Let me just check this. So about 2% in one day, which is comparing it to the previous price action, quite a big bounce. Um, but I wouldn't celebrate too early. Just looking at the technicals and where we were for a long period of time, I think we're basically at resistance now. I'm not saying short with everything. I don't see a lot of strength apart from this one day candle, but we're basically at resistance. So I really wouldn't take a long position now, at least not until we break this red area. And taking it is not just touching it or maybe just hovering for a bit, but I mean reclaiming it. I'm looking this on a daily time frame, which means I would like, as the bare minimum, just for the price to close above the red rectangle. That would be my first indication. Now, if it can stay above it, that's a confirmation. How I really like to look at the things is I I want to see strength. And strength is not just something that barely closes and barely hovers above it. I want it to close above it strongly and then either continue or not dump immediately. So those are my signs. And if that happens, that's the first sign of strength I've seen in a long time. But at the moment, this is just a bearish retest. I don't see anything else here until we can actually flip this red rectangle. If anything, this would be a really good spot to short, but I don't like to short this market. So I would not directly advise this, but at least I'm not seeing the bullish case at the moment. As we can see, this red area has been like a problem to cross for quite some time now. So yeah, and if we go even further back, it was a cluster here as well. So just wanted to clear this thing up a little bit. It's not as bullish as some people might see it. It's probably even bearish until this actually can cross it. So it's just a bearish reclaim. And until then, I would treat it like that. If we can reclaim it, then that becomes different. But until then, I really wouldn't look at this as a bullish thing. If we can flip the red area, we can look at this as a deviation, and then we have all the causes that we can name for it to start looking at to go up again. But until then, I would just stay put. I would just wait. That's all. Thanks.